This is the Sonicake Sonic Ambience, and it's a small little pedal that has the delay effects and reverb effects. And what's really cool is that we have 4 different reverbs and we have 4 different delay styles. So for the reverb, we have the R, H, and C, and P. So room, hall, church, or cathedral, and then plate. And then we can't really adjust the length of the reverb, so we just have a mix. And then for the delay section here, we have delay time. We have 4 delay types. We have analog, digital, tape, and reverse. And in the intro, we were in the reverse setting. And then we have the repeats and blend. And then what's interesting, we can hold down the foot switch and we can go into tap tempo mode. So it's a soft switch. We can tap in our tempo and we hold again to go back to normal operation on off. And what's really interesting also is this pedal can be set to do true bypass, or we can do trails. When we turn off the effect, the delay and reverbs can trail. So we can do that by holding down the foot switch and then we apply power and the LED is going to blink, and then we do that again to go back and forth from true bypass to trails. And this little pedal packs a lot of cool sounds. So the delays feed into the reverb, which is really nice, and so we can create kind of sonic ambiences or sonic ambience type of sounds with this little pedal, and it's very affordable. The 9-volt power's on top, the inputs on the right, and the outputs on the left. So let's play through this pedal. I'm going playing on a Strat, going through my daily driver, overdrive into the Sonic Ambience and into the Vox AC30, and let's hear what kind of sounds we can get with this pedal.
Thank you.